Welcome to the Vibrant Creator Studio. Today, we are diving into CapCut Text and Caption Mastery. This is the ultimate guide to crafting engaging, professional subtitles and typography. We'll walk through step-by-step UI workflows, pro styling, and the magic of AI captions to give your videos a real creative explosion. The complete text ecosystem. Let's look at the complete text ecosystem within CapCut. First, there's typography and styling, where you can use custom fonts, strokes, glows, and even shapes. Then we have AI auto-captions for one-click speech-to-text and bilingual subtitles. Don't forget motion and templates for trendy graphics and text-to-speech, which uses high-quality AI voices to bring your written words to life. Adding your first words. Ready to add some words? In the PC version, navigate to the Text tab and select Default Text to get started. Here's a pro tip. Protect your monetization. Click the Commercial tab in the font menu to instantly filter for 100% copyright-safe typography for YouTube and TikTok. You can also adjust color, size, and spacing right here in the panel. The anatomy of text styling. Transform flat text into eye-catching designs using the right side panel. Use stroke to add a colored outline or glow for a neon effect that makes text pop on dark backgrounds. You can also use curve to bend text into arcs, background to create a teal-up base with rounded corners, or shadow to add depth and separate your text from the video. Work smarter. Save your custom styles. Stop rebuilding your favorite styles from scratch. Once you've styled your text, adjusting the font, color, and glow, simply click Save as Preset. You can then find your custom styles under the Your Materials tab. Now you can reuse your signature look with just one click. Dynamic text animations. Grab attention instantly with built-in motion graphics. Under the Animation tab, you can choose an In animation for entrances, like typewriter, an Out animation for exits, or a loop for continuous motion like a pulse. Adjust the duration slider, right for a slow entrance or left for a snappy pop. One-click text templates. If you want high-end motion graphics with zero keyframing, use text templates. Browse the templates, like vlog titles, and apply them to your timeline. Even after applying, you can still customize the layers to change words, fonts, and scale while keeping the complex animation intact. Motion tracking. Motion tracking lets you pin text to a moving subject seamlessly. Open the tracking menu and set your target. Turn on scale and distance so the text grows or shrinks as the subject moves. Just click Start and let CapCut's AI calculate the path for you. AI auto-captions. Generate zero-effort subtitles with AI auto-captions. Go to Text, then Auto-Captions, and select the spoken language of your video. You can even use the bilingual magic setting to generate dual language subs simultaneously. Click Create, and perfectly timed clips will appear above your audio in seconds. Bulk styling and transcript editing. Editing subtitles is easy with the single-screen view. If you change a font or stroke while Apply to All Main Captions is checked, every single caption updates instantly. To fix typos fast, use the Captions Transcript tab. Click any word, retype it, and the timeline updates automatically. Auto-Caption Troubleshooting Map. Here's how to fix common AI hiccups. If a sentence is too long, use the Split tool, Ctrl+B, to cut the clip in half. If the AI mishears words due to music, mute the music tracks and rerun the captions on a clean voice track. And if the timing is off, simply drag the edges of the clip to sync it with the audio waveform. AI Text-to-Speech, TTS. Give your words a voice in one click. Select your text on the timeline and open the TTS menu. Choose your vibe from hundreds of options, like energetic, cute, or storyteller. Once you apply it, an audio file perfectly matching your text will appear on the timeline. The Text Tool Matrix. Which tool should you use? Basic text is best for bespoke designs with high customizability. Text templates are instant and perfect for vlog intros or subscribe prompts. Finally, auto-captions are lightning fast for full video subtitles and translations, allowing for easy bulk styling. The Golden Workflow. Maximize your efficiency with the Golden Workflow. Step 1. The Cut. Edit your video and clean the audio first. Step 2. AI Magic. Run auto-captions. Step 3. The Scrub. Fix typos and split long sentences. Step 4. Master Style. Style everything globally. And Step 5. The Sparkle. Add manual text or templates for impact. Final pre-flight checklist. Before you finish, go through the final checklist. Are your fonts readable on mobile? Is your tracking smooth? Are all typos fixed? If everything looks good, hit export and share your masterpiece with the world. Your canvas awaits.